In this video, we're going to go over the Torx Plus sizes needed to service Koken zeal ratchets 25Z part number. This is the Wiha set I bought. So for 4725Z, we're going to use a 10 IP, which is a Torx Plus. Fits in there perfect. And I found this is the only set I could find online that had these fittings. So I'm very happy with this Wiha purchase. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce these bits, but for the 3/8 3725Z, it's 8 IP. And it also fits nice. I thought it was a 9. I ordered a Koken 9, but it just doesn't quite fit. But the 8 fits very nice. And for the 1/4" 2725Z, it's going to be a 6 IP. So, haven't used this bit set from Wiha, but I'm very happy that I purchased it because I did not have a Torx Plus set.